Three, two, one, go. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we have brought you a new project which is blockchain based a drug, a fake drug detection using and also supply chain maintenance using a decentralized network which is blockchain, right? So now to understand this concept, so let me give you a small scenario because I don't want to waste much more time because time is precious, right? So yes, so let's understand this scenario. Okay, see, if a medical store person, okay, who is gonna sell tablets, medicines, like tablets we call as a drug, right? Yes, so they are retailer. Okay. So how the retailer is going to get the medicine? Through distributor. So how distributor is going to get through a manufacturer. So now what our project mainly focuses on is detecting the fake drug. Okay. How? See, if the tablets or the medicines came from the manufacturer itself, okay, whether the distributor which was received from the manufacturer, whether it is a proper one or any expired date is there, so everything can be tracked using our project. Okay, so now for the first time, which you can see over here, you have a simple UI over here and which says two logins, right? So in the first one is admin and the second one is user. So what is this admin? So what is the role of admin work here? Means admin. Okay, let's go into the admin login work here. Okay, so by default we have gave the username and password for admin as admin and admin. All right. So yes, so this is the admin dashboard. So what is the role of admin? So admin can able to register the user to the system or to the network or to the project. Okay, so where we have given four options, which is a company where they manufacture drug or tablets or medicines, a distributor who take the medicines from the manufacturer and distribute to the retailers, and retailer who want to sell the medicines, and transporter is a company where which transfer from manufacturer to distributor or distributor to retailer, something like that. Okay, so the first and foremost thing, I have started this project now, so I didn't register any of the manufacturer or nor a distributor, retailer, or a transporter. So first, what we'll do, we'll register each company for all the departments like manufacturer, distributor, everything. So first and foremost thing, so I have gave login and password for the admin, right? See, how we gonna log into your Instagram account through your username and the password. So what we can understand over here in the blockchain is there is no concept called username and password. So there is nothing but address, public address, and a private key. So private key just like your password. Using that only you can able to access your account. Okay. So here we have our extension which is MetaMask account. So now already I have logged in with one account. I'll just show you. MetaMask is taking some little more time. Okay, let me click it over here. All right, no problem. And directly click on register manufacturer. Okay, so here, see, as I told, manufacturer should have one address and a name. So I'll take an address from the MetaMask itself. So MetaMask is a local blockchain. Suppose if you don't know, or if you didn't watch any of my previous blockchain videos, means you might don't know. Yes, here we got the pop-up. So I have already logged in with this account. Means what are the first account which we will be using, that is considered as an admin in the network, like which account will be used for the first time, that is considered as an admin. So I just started the project right now, so this is my admin. All right, so yes, here I'll give address, and manufacturer I'll give a name as M1, means manufacture. M1 is the company who manufacture medicines or a drug. All right, so add manufacturer. So now what I'm going to do means what actually I'm doing is I'm adding a manufacturer M1 company to the blockchain network or to the system. Okay, so yes, MetaMask is loading. So we need to give a confirmation as a digital signature using MetaMask. So yeah, it is taking some little bit more time. So okay, let's wait. Yeah, it's done. So let's scroll down over here. So here you can able to see a confirm. Just a second. Yes. So let's click on confirm here. Okay, confirm. So now confirm. Yes, it's loaded. Yeah, it's loading. Still, it's loading. So let's wait for a few seconds. Okay. Yes. So you'll get a pop-up as added manufacturer. So we have added one manufacturer for the first time. All right. So now what we'll do, we'll add a new distributor as well. Okay, new distributor. So let's say I'll copy one more address for distributor. So I'll do one thing instead of making much more confusion. So I have registered a manufacturer, right? So I'll log in this account. Means I'll import this account to my MetaMask so that we won't get confusion in the future. Means in upcoming in few couple of minutes, because we will be logging with the manufacturer so that we can able to distribute, or we can able to send medicines or the drug to distributor. So that's why I'll just import it account, but I'll just import the account and I'll change the name. So what is the manufacturer name which we have created just now? It was M1, correct? So I'll just change this account 3 to M1. Okay, done. We'll make it uppercase M1. So right. Okay. So next, so I have imported over here. Again, I'll go back to admin, and now I'm going to register as a distributor. Okay, register. So register, I'll take an address for a register work here. So this one I have used for a manufacturer. So this I'll take a distributor, which is the second one. So address pasted, and the distributor there will be n number of distributors. So I'll give a distributor name as D1. Okay. So next I'll give a confirmation work here. Okay, let's load it. I don't know, but MetaMask is taking a few times, so that maybe the screen recorder which I'm using to record this video. So because of that, my system got a little bit off. So maybe that could be an issue. But normally it won't take this much of time. Okay. Yeah. So let's scroll down. Yes. Confirm. Okay. Yeah. Confirm. Okay. All right. It's loading. Yes. You should get a pop-up that distributor has been added. Okay. So we need to wait until that. Since a transaction could take few little bit or okay, distributor has been added. So I'll just import this account as well to the MetaMask. Okay, so I'll just copy the private key. I'll go over here and importing that account. Probably this video will take a little bit long time, and I want you guys to have a little bit more patience. And one more thing, what and all I'm doing over here, this has to be done before your project presentation. Okay, before your project presentation, these steps has to be done. Okay, yes. So imported, and I'll just rename this as D1, means distributor 1. Done. So check this, and again I'll go for admin account over here, and I'll go back. I'll add a retailer as well. Okay, let's go back and register a new retailer. So for retailer, I'll just take one more new account, which is the third account for retailer. So register retailer. Okay, address, I'll give an address, and a retailer I'll mention as R1. All right, so R1. So add retailer over here. So here I got a MetaMask pop-up. Okay, so let's load quickly, and yes, so we need to wait for a few more seconds. Okay, so MetaMask notification is getting loaded. I don't take, probably this could be an issue with my system speed as well. Okay, that also could be an issue. Okay, so now here we got everything. So let's scroll down and click on confirm. Okay, so now retailer will be added to the system. So now we should get a pop-up that retailer has been added successfully. And the last one which we have is our transport. So we'll add a transport company as well. So here we got a pop-up. I'll just import this account also to our MetaMask. Okay, I'll just click on this key, copy the private key, and import this account, so that in further or in the future we'll be logging in, right? So we should not get much more confusion. So that's the reason I'm importing everything. Okay, so yeah, this also could be issue with the Chrome as well. So nowadays the Chrome is getting a little bit of slow, but I don't know what is the issue. So yes, see, MetaMask is not loading at all. So let's click on MetaMask. Okay, let's wait. Okay, here we got our MetaMask. So let's import our retailer over here. So paste it, and we'll just change the name to avoid the confusion. So this will be our retailer, right? Correct. Yes, retailer. Okay. So now what we'll do again, we'll go for admin. So now we'll register one transport company because transport company is required. Correct. So to transport from one place to another place, right? So this will be for our transport. So I'll just copy this one. Okay, copy. So let's register our transport. So this will be initial work for the first time, and later it's not required as well. So this is the first time we are starting the project. So that's why it will take some time because to add user to the system. So when it is done, it will be like a normal. You can able to make any transaction between all the four users or any other companies. Like you could have a plenty of manufacturer company as well. So let's confirm over here. Okay, so confirm, it's loading. So now let's import this. Okay, so import this. I'll just copy the private key over here. I'll just copy the private key, and yeah, it's still loading. So let's wait seconds. Okay, yes, here we got the pop-up. So now I'll import this transporter account to our MetaMask wallet. So yes, MetaMask also is loading a little bit slow. So let's click on it over here. MetaMask, खुल जा सिम MetaMask. All right. This could be issue with the system or with the Chrome, anything. Okay, probably even my Ganache is also making a little bit slow, probably with the system. Okay, yeah. So here we go. I'll just import the account and done. And I'll just change the name as transporter. I'll keep it as T1. All right, so T1. Okay, done. Okay, now what we did means with the admin account we have logged in or we have registered all the users. So now the work of admin is done. Okay, so now we'll log in with an user. See, log in with the user, but we don't know what is the username for M1, what is the username for D1, username and password. We don't know that, but we have our account. See, as you can see in our MetaMask, it's taking time, so it is. Please adjust over here. Okay. Yes, MetaMask, yes. So in the MetaMask, as you can see, we have logged in as an admin. So when I click on login as a manufacturer, it will show a error message over here. Make sure that you have logged in using the same MetaMask address. So now we'll use the M1 which we imported for the first time, right? So MetaMask, we'll just let's open this. Yeah, MetaMask has been opened. So here I'll select M1. Okay, so now I'll connect this M1 to this site and I'll just small refresh so that everything will be set. So now I'll click on login as a manufacturer. See, login successful, right? So this is the dashboard of manufacturer. All right. So what is the role of manufacturer? See, what are the new medicine or the new drug which has been manufactured in the manufacturer company? That medicine will be or that drug will be added to the system, and who the distributor wanted that they can able to send a request. So now we'll add means assume that a manufacturer created one medicine. Okay, so let's say drug ID as 101. Okay, so drug name let's mention as Dolo. All right. So drug quantity I'll keep it as 100 as of now. So they have assume that they have manufactured 100. They can manufacture a lot of other. For understanding purpose, we'll just give a as 100. Okay. So now since we have logged in as a manufacturer, so we need to give a confirmation. See, in the blockchain, what happens is whatever you do, everything will be a transaction. So how many transactions you want to make, that much of blocks is going to create. So I'll show you our entire blockchain entire blockchain at the end. All right. So I'll just click on confirm over here. So now we have successfully added a drug, means added a medicine to a blockchain network. Means drug has been added successfully, right? So now what I'm going to do is keep it like this. I just log in with an distributor. So the distributor is going to send a request for a manufacturer to send an medicine. Okay, so let's say I'll just go in a new tab and I'll log in with the distributor over here. So here in the MetaMask, I have logged in as a manufacturer, right? So now I'm gonna log in as a distributor. So let's open our MetaMask quickly. So MetaMask, I'll just click on login as user. MetaMask will open in a second. So yes, distributor obviously it will not work because since we have logged in as the manufacturer, so I need to change the account over here as a distributor. So let's click on over here. Taking so much time. MetaMask system is getting a little bit of slow. Open MetaMask. MetaMask. So much of time. Okay, here our MetaMask has been opened over here. So now I log in as an distributor. So normally it don't take much time. It all depends on your speed. So means your system speed. So this is not R1. I don't want R1. I want to log in as an manufacturer distributor. Okay, so let's select distributor over here. D1. Okay, so let's connect to this and a small refresh over here so that it gets loaded properly. So login as a distributor. Okay, logged in successful. So now distributor is going to request the drugs from. See, if the distributor want from where what the medicine they wanted, they need to see. In our system, we have added only one manufacturer. So based on manufacturer, what are the manufacturer is manufacturing the drug that will be displayed in the select drug option. So Dolo, right? So Dolo. So let's mention the quantity you need like 20. Okay. So request the drugs. Okay. Yes. So here we got our MetaMask pop-up. So let's scroll down and give a confirmation for this transaction is for this request. Okay. Yes. So yes, MetaMask is loading. So yes, here it's loaded. So scroll down and click on confirm. Okay. So it's done. So now again you'll get a pop-up that request pop-up. So we need to wait until that. So please ignore the speed. Okay, request created. So now we'll go for this. This is a manufacturer tab, right? So we'll log in as a manufacturer quickly through MetaMask. So let's click on MetaMask again. MetaMask. Yes, here MetaMask has been loaded. So login as a manufacturer work here. Okay, so now I'll go for this view request option. See, view request option means first click. Suppose whatever the request will come, you need to select from which transport company you want to transfer that. So in this, as an admin, we have registered only one transport company, which is T-Bank, right? So that you can able to see over here. So what is the request came over here is Dolo. So when you select this, you can able to see who has been requested. Who requested? The distributor D1 has been requested Dolo. Okay, and so now let's click a create shipment option. So when you click a create shipment option, okay, when you click on create shipment option, so a request will be sent to the transport company, and transport company is going to confirm to make this transportation from manufacturer one to distributor. So just click on create shipment. Okay, so create shipment is done. So again I need to give a confirmation through a MetaMask. So MetaMask is getting loaded. So let's wait. Mm, yes. Okay, yeah. So scroll down and yes, let's click on confirmation. Okay. Okay, it's loading. Okay, in the meantime, yeah, it will be successful. So now I'm going to log in with the transport department. So transport department is going to get the message, right? So yes. So now come over here. So I'll log in with the transport department now. So I'll just change the account in the MetaMask as well. So through as a transport department. So log in as a transport. I need to change the account over here in the MetaMask. So let's change the account. So MetaMask, please get load faster a little bit because video is getting too long. So that's why. Okay. Yes. So MetaMask. Okay. Oh, I just open. I just close it again. Okay. Yeah. Open. Open MetaMask. And also you can able to see a one more option called track drag. So what is this track drag means? With the shipment ID, you can able to track the drug like where currently that drug is. Like it is in the manufacturer or the distributor. Suppose the retailer is requesting means the retailer can able to track using the track ID. Okay, like shipment ID. Okay. So I'll just show you at the end. Okay. So now I'll log in as a transporter over here. So transporter. Okay. So let's connect a small refresh over here. Okay. So now I'll just click on login as a transporter. So logged in successful. Okay. So here send shipment. So what are the requests has came to transport that will be here over here. So a Dolo medicine shipment has came over here. So let's click on that. Let's see who is gonna send that. See at this particular time shipment id, just remember the shipment id. Using the shipment id we can able to track it. Since we are creating the first shipment over here, so it start from 0 like 1 2 3 so on, it is going to continue like that. So what is the drug name? Dolo. Quantity is 20. Who is the manufacturer? M1. Distributor for whom I transport has sent from to D1. From whom? From the transporter T1 itself. Okay, so still we are not sending to retail because retailer has not requested anything. So yes, we'll send the shipment. Okay. So manually or through SMS, assume that a shipment ID has been sent to a distributor. Okay. So the distributor can able to track it using the shipment ID. So first we'll send the shipment means assume that transport department collected the medicines from the manufacturer and now they are sending the shipment to distributor over here. Okay, I'll just scroll down and give a confirmation over here in the MetaMask. So scroll down and let's click on confirm. Okay, confirm. So loading. See, now shipment has been created, correct? So now, okay, okay. Now what we'll do, we'll log in over here. We'll try to track this. Okay, first we'll, since this is not yet reached the distributor, manufacturers has sent their drug or their medicine through transport company. They have sent that, and shipment also been also created. Correct. So now still the distributor not yet received that. Okay, physically they have not yet received it. So but they have a shipment ID. What is the shipment ID? Is 0. So now let's click on this 0 and just click on view transaction. So let's say please wait, transactions are loading. See now our transactions has came over here, right? See, read this. Shipment containing drug dolo means our medicine created by manufacturer, right? So send to distributor. So sending to distributor via whom? Via transport company T1. Got it? So next, transport department. Shipment containing drug dolo sent by transport means they have sent, means they have created a shipment to distributor D1. Okay. So once the physically this drug came or received to a distributor, distributor is going to check everything and then they want to accept that. Okay. So now this is our distributor, right? Yes. So now we'll go for this accept option. Before that, we need to log in as a distributor work here. Correct. So let's log in as a distributor work here quickly. Yes, MetaMask gets loading. Yes. It was in T1, so let's make it T1 because transport has sent. Okay, so even you saw the transactions as well. So now suppose assume that parcel from the T1 transport has been came. So select the shipment as you can see it is a dolo shipment, correct? Dolo. So these are the details. The shipment is there means physical shipment means the package came, the drug package came. So from whom? From the manufacturer through transport one to distributor. Okay, what is the medicine name? Means drug name Dolo. Which date? What is the time and date now? 7:51 over here. See, what is the time? 7:51. At this particular time, came over here. Okay, so now you will check everything like expire date, everything is proper, means you will accept the shipment, or else you are not going to accept the shipment. If you don't accept the shipment, means there is something issue, means there is a fake drugs. Okay, so let's accept the shipment. Okay, so now let's give a confirmation. Well, let's assume that everything is fine, means the what are the medicine which we received from the manufacturer through transport T1 company is perfect. So now we are gonna confirm, means now we are gonna ask accept that shipment. Okay, so accept, confirm, confirm. And here also you can able to track the shipment. I'll just show you. I didn't show, I showed you over here. And see, wait, let me open this first. So let this gets loaded quickly. MetaMask. Okay, yes, shipment has been accepted. So I'll go to this track shipment over here. See, whenever the transport department create a shipment, this shipment details will come to the distributor. Okay, see, this is the shipment ID. This is how, like, just like a notification. Okay, so Dolo from the manufacturer to T1. This is gonna track by over here. Okay, see, since now distributor has been accepted that the drug is perfect, means the medicine which is received is perfect. So now we'll track the request over here with the we'll see the transaction, everything. So now you got a one more transaction over here, that shipment containing drug Dolo received by distributor, means everything is good. So this is the time has been seen as the distributor received the package from the transporter. So this is how you can able to track your entire package. Got it? So now and I'll show you one more thing over here. So I'll just click on logout, log, open, login user. See, here there is one more option to log in as a retailer. See, same thing. So distributor wanted some medicines, so distributor will send a request to the manufacturer, and manufacturer will send medicine to distributor through a transport company. Correct? Same thing. If the retailer need any medicines, the retailer will request a distributor. So the distributor will send medicines or a drug through a transport company. And if everything is good, so retailer is going to accept the request. Same procedure which I showed now. So this is how the fake drug detection and maintain the supply chain using blockchain, the project. This is the blockchain project. I hope you guys understood this project. Suppose if you did understood this project, see this video again 2-3 times so that you'll understand the concept how we have done. Okay, suppose if you need, and also if you need any guidance for your final year projects or any mini projects, means you can contact us, and our mail ID is present in the description. All right, so and also if you need this project, means just drop a mail, check take our mail ID in the description which is mentioned. So mention the project name and you can mail it us, so we'll get in touch and we'll discuss about this project. Okay, and also if you need guidance about any of the projects, we'll give a guidance. Okay, all right, so this is all about this our blockchain project, and we'll do many web projects, mobile app projects, machine learning, AI, all the projects. So if you need, you can contact us. All right, yes, so that's all about this project, and we'll meet in our next video. Until then, take care, goodbye, stay healthy, bye bye.